Now moving on to the evolution of marketing. What is this evolution of marketing? So marketing evolution is a process and stages through which the marketing concepts, philosophies, mechanisms, tools and techniques and orientations of marketing are changing and has changed over the period of history of marketing. In the sense, once if we go through the evolution of marketing, it's going to be easy for us to know how the marketing concept has been evolved and how the marketing concept has been changed. In the sense, every time the concept has been going through the stages and it has been changing, it has been taking a new shape. That's what we are going to learn through the evolution of marketing. So that's why over time this concept has undergone a complex evolution, the emergence of four different concepts like production, product, sales, marketing. So what are those four stages? We will see. So first one comes under the production concept. It means in the beginning days, in the earlier days, so the focus was more on the production concept. So consumers will favor products that are available and highly affordable. So whatever the product which is available in the market, because in those days the facilities were very less and the products were also whatever the products which are available was also limited in the market. So automatically consumers, they were in favor of the products which are available in the market. That's what the production concept. So that's why management should focus on improving production. So in those days, management focused more on how best they can improve the production, and as well as their importance was more on the distribution efficiency, how best they can distribute the product to the customers. So high production efficiency and low cost, and that was leading to the mass distribution. So it's very clear from the production concept, means in the beginning days, this marketing management was with the stage of the production concept. Companies were giving more importance for the production, how best they can improve the production, as well as how best they can distribute the product to the customers. And consumers were also in favor of the products which are available in the market and which are highly affordable. So that's why this comes under the production concept. And later, this has been changed to the product concept. What does it mean by the product concept? So the consumers, they started slowly identifying the products because the needs and wants are slowly changing, and automatically people have started favoring the products that offer the most quality. Means quality consciousness was increased among the consumers, and consumers were also looking for the performance, and also they started looking for the features, and that organization should therefore devote its energy to making continuous product improvements, because once the consumers have realized the importance of the product quality as well as the product features as well as the product performance, companies have also started making their effort to make better products for the consumers. So that's why the second stage we call it as the product concept. And then the third stage means slowly that has led to the third stage comes under the selling concept. So the idea that consumers will not buy enough of the organization products unless the organization undertakes a large scale selling and a promotion effort. In the sense, if you produce a product and if you do not communicate that to the consumers, there is no possibility of selling of the product. It's very clear. Means if you produce a product, you have designed a product, you have produced a product, but you are nowhere communicating to the consumers that this product is available, which is meeting the needs and wants of the consumers, then there is no possibility for them to buy the product. So that's why selling concept has come into the picture. So the idea is that consumers will buy the product when the company, when the organization undertakes a large scale selling process, selling effort, and not only selling effort in the sense, it also includes of the promotion effort. So that's what selling concept has come into the picture, and that's why companies have also started giving some discounts, offers to the consumers to attract them so that they can come and buy the product. That's why selling concept. And then finally, the marketing concept. So now it's everywhere, the marketing concept. Why this marketing concept? Because at the beginning stage, it was just a production concept. So mass marketing or mass distribution. But now it's not like that. So here the idea is that achieving organizational goals, it depends upon determining the needs and wants of the target markets and also delivering the desired satisfactions more effectively and efficiently than competitors do. So for example, in the production concept, your focus was more on the production as well as distribution. When it comes for the product concept, the focus was more on the design of the product, quality of the product, as well as performance of the product or features of the product. But when it comes for the selling concept, so how best you can make your selling effort and promotion effort. But when it comes for the marketing concept, truly trying to understand the needs and wants of the customers. Without identifying the needs and wants of the customers, you cannot design a product. That's why determining the needs and wants of the target markets. Not only identifying the needs and wants of the customers, but you have to deliver the appropriate product to the needs and wants of the customers. So you have to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively than competitor does. Because when your competitor is providing a more satisfied product to the customer or more satisfied service to the customer, no customer, no consumer will buy your product. That's why you have to do better than your competitor. That's why the marketing concept has come into picture. So these are the 4 stages of the marketing management, which gives you an idea about what is the history of marketing or what are the stages of the marketing concept, evolution of marketing concept. So production concept, product concept, selling concept, and then finally the marketing concept.